October is Health Literacy Month, and that means it's a time to encourage all of us to make more informed health decisions. A local doctor broke down the 5 most important things you should remember to take care of your body. Taking care of yourself is a daily challenge, and knowing how to do it, well, that's half the battle. Dr. Becky Carruthers with Norton Children's Medical Group listed the top 5 things all families can focus on: sleep, activity, diet, vaccinations, and regular checkups with your pediatrician. Dr. Carruthers says those are in no particular order, but if she did have to pick one most important one,
I'd say right now in our day and age, sleep. When we don't sleep, we don't feel good, and that affects a lot of our decision making and our happiness, and our body can't fight infections if we're not well rested.
Dr. Carruthers says kids ages 3 to 5 should get 10 to 12 hours of sleep a night. School age and older should get anywhere from 8 to 10. One way to help get a good night's sleep is getting plenty of exercise during the day.
For school-age children, about 60 minutes a day active, but hardcore aerobic activity, you should do that about 3 times a week.
That can look like anything from walking your dog to playing on a jungle gym.
It doesn't mean you have to run for an hour, but just having that body movement and not sitting and just watching TV or looking at your phone just helps move muscles and helps the body, and then that increases your endorphins to help you feel better.
Exercise and diet. Dr. Carruthers said the two go hand in hand. She says you should avoid a lot of processed foods and added sugar while getting a nice mix of fruits and vegetables.
Continuing to offer it may change what they do, and so the more you offer it, the more likely they're going to eat it. So getting a variety helps with getting our nutrition and vitamins, and so even though it may feel like a losing battle, continuing to offer it is beneficial. Vaccinations
and regular hospital visits also pair up nicely. Most pediatricians will suggest getting kids on the CDC's vaccine schedule after they're born.
We know that that's been studied through thousands and thousands of children, and if you follow the schedule, we know the combination of vaccines work. We know that it's a benefit in your immune system, and it helps prevent the disease before you're exposed.
And those shots can be administered during your regular checkups. Dr. Carruthers says for these 2 health tips, having a good relationship with your doctor or pediatrician can make a world of difference.
And I think a lot of it goes back to trust. I would never offer anything to my patient that I wouldn't do for my own children. So I think it goes back to trust and a relationship with your medical home.
Dr. Carruthers says these tips aren't just good for kids. They're things that we all should keep front of mind to help us lead healthier lives.